that the book of Philippians chapter 2. After what he went through, after everything, a name was given to him. And the name, they said, wherever they call the name has been given above. Don't forget, he that come from above is above all. And that is what the last assignment I want you to do. A name was given after being pushed. A name was given. Before you go from this meeting tonight, you will receive a new name. If they call you debtor before, you will be called blessed. You will become someone that will be giving, that will be blessing people. If they call you barren, they will call you mother of nations, father of nations. Whatever name they have given you, God is going to change that name today. Whatever name the situation has given you, God is going to change it tonight. What I just want you to do, you need to connect that name.